back to my channel. My name is India and thank you so much for joining me today. So I know you guys seen the title already, so I am going to show you guys one way that I maintain my natural hair, and I actually like to use Flexi Rise. So as you guys can see right now, my hair, it kind of looks kind of dry, nothing really happening. It don't really have no curls or nothing. I don't like to put additional heat in my hair after I flat iron it the first time. And a question I get a lot is, do I work out? Yes, I still work out even though I straighten my hair. You can see my roots get a little puffy, but I just work with it. It's nothing that I can't lay down and fix. All right, so again, this video is going to be super quick. I just wanted to show you guys some of the products that I use and also the technique that I use to keep my hair lasting as long as possible, especially when it's straightened. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys are just these, my Flexi Rise. So if you guys straighten your hair and your hair is, you got a silk press or whatever the case is, and you are looking for a way to stretch that silk press or that flat iron or whatever you want to call it, use Flexi Rise, you guys. This way you don't have to put additional heat on your hair. If you're going out or something, you can definitely boost up with some curls with Flexi Rise. They're easy, pop them in, and you really don't need a lot. To be honest, I normally only put 4 Flexi Rise in my hair and then I go to bed. That's it. Today I have 5, being a little extra. But usually I just do my 4 Flexi Rise, go to bed, wake up in the morning, take them out, and then my hair looks like brand new. Okay, so make sure you get you some Flexi Rise. Second, I use some type of oil. So you will need something to put on your hair to kind of help the curls set and hold. I just like to go in with a light oil. Today I'm going to be using the Palmer's olive oil formula with vitamin E, shine therapy, conditioning hair plus scalp oil. And I will be putting this oil on my strands as well as my scalp, and I'll show you guys that in a few seconds. And I'm also going to be using this Luster's Slick Stick. This is something that I have been using for a very, very long time. I like to put this on my edges, and that's kind of what controls them. So they might be a little frizzy, it's not completely straight, but it will lay down and stay in place. And that's all I need, okay? So I am going to stop talking and show you guys exactly what I do. Alright y'all, now I have the Flexi Rise in my hair, and like I told you guys, easy peasy. So now what I'm going to do is take my silk scarf and tie my hair down. You can use a silk scarf, you can use a bonnet, you can use both, whatever makes you happy. I like to actually use my silk scarf to make sure my edges get laid down for the night. So I'm just gonna tie my scarf up. And this is pretty much it. So tonight, before I actually lay down and go to bed, I will actually put my silk bonnet on, which is here. I'll just put my silk bonnet on over, and that's it. I'll go to bed, and when I wake up in the morning, of course, I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like when I take the Flexi rods down. So y'all know, if I'm showing y'all something, especially about a nighttime routine for hair, it's gonna be easy peasy, because I cannot stand having to do something long and drawn out for my hair at night. Usually at night, I'm ready to go get in the bed and lay down. So I'll catch you guys in the morning and show you guys what the final results look like. Good morning, guys. So it is the next morning. It's super early in the morning. I've already worked out this morning, and I'm gonna be logging into work in a few minutes. So I wanted to make sure I show you guys what the results look like. So I'm just gonna take my bonnet off here and my scarf. And this really helps, especially when I work out. So you make sure you want to make sure you put your scarf on, guys, because that's really what's gonna help hold down your hair and those edges and everything. So this is what we're looking like through all the sweat and everything. And then y'all, all I do is unravel the Flexi rods. And this is what it looks like. So it kind of gives me a nice little wave. And since I'm working from home, I like to take this headband. You can use any headband that you want. I like to just use this simple black one. Put my headband on. And then I take my fingers and just kind of rake through like that. Separate. And that's it, y'all. This is it. So this is going to give me a cute little look if I gotta get on a meeting, a Zoom call, or if I gotta run an errand real quick. Super simple, super easy, and that's it. I'm not adding any extra products. I'm not adding any extra oils or anything like that. That's it. I'm done, and I actually look put together. So I wanted to make sure that I showed you guys this quick style, and this is exactly how I keep my hair up, especially while I'm working out after I have a silk press. And you guys, this stretches my silk presses out for a long time, so I can wear my hair like this for a while. So yeah, and let me show you guys the back. So yeah, guys, that's it. This is how I keep my hair together. Like I said, cute little quick style. I can get on a meeting, I can run some errands, I can do what I gotta do for the day. And if you like this tip, if you like this video, make sure you give your girl a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, come back, watch some more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.